nanotech in agriculture. So application of nanotechnology in agriculture, right? Now, because it is agriculture, so we are going to talk a little more detail in the form of structural detail. That if they ask something, then how we can make the answer more important. So three things can be done. One is crop improvement. Crop improvement. So with the help of nanotechnology, we can do crop improvement, right? Then we can work for crop growth and productivity. Crop growth and productivity, right? And third thing we can go with, that is crop protection. Crop protection. So normally in agriculture, we have to keep these 3 points. So crop improvement will be done by, it is being done by something called nanobiotech. So nowadays, there is a new area emerged that is called nanobiotech. That means biological change in crop with the help of nanotechnology. Nanobiotech, we'll talk about it. Crop growth and productivity can be increased by nanofertilizers. Nanofertilizers. And if you know that nanofertilizer, one example we have that has been developed by India, that is nano urea liquid. So nano urea liquid we have all studied about. We'll talk about that too. And crop protection means that we are going to use nanopesticides. Pesticides. So nanopesticides. So these are the 3 ways. Nanobiotech, nanofertilizers, nanopesticide. So now you can always explain it in 3 categories. And this 3 category will be crop improvement, crop growth and productivity, and crop protection, right? We have very good example over here from Indian point of view. We'll talk more about it, but these 2 are the possibility, and all over the world, scientists are working on that. In nanobiotech, biological change, genetic change can be achieved by tools of nanotechnology. Like in Thailand, there is something called Chiang Mai University, and they did a nano hole in the rice cell, and they changed the color of the rice. Only rice color was changed, no nutritional value was changed, but the color of the rice was changed. So it shows that it can be possible. So you can write first point, here you can write nanobiotech. You can make another point also. With the help of nanobiotechnology,